This video will cover how to set up the server management application for the first time. This is new to Mac Practice as of build 12.11. You will go through the proper procedure for the update to be released to your office. You will then update your Mac Practice as normal. If you are unsure how to do this, please contact our support team or use our documentation located on the help desk. On the server, once you have updated Mac Practice, but before you open Mac Practice, you will want to open up Safari. In Safari, you will enter the URL https://localhost:26700 as seen here. When you do this, you will see a message similar to this. This is a certificate that needs to be accepted prior to opening Mac Practice. To accept this certificate, you will click the Show Details button located here. You will then need to click the Visit Website link located here. This will then confirm you are wanting to continue to this website. Once you click Visit Website, you will be asked to enter in your computer admin's username and password to continue. From here, you will click Update Settings. You will now see that the Server Management app is asking your office to create an admin user for this app. You will start by entering your first and last name. From here, you will move on to creating an admin username, followed by creating an admin password that does need to be entered in twice for verification purposes. Please keep in mind, Mac Practice does not keep these passwords on file, but we do have access to help your office reset the password if needed. Now we can click the Create button to continue on. Now you will log in to the Server Management app with the admin username and password that was just created and click Log In. As this is the first time connecting the Server Management app to your database, you will be prompted to enter in your security password. This is the password that was set up when you first installed Mac Practice. This is the same password you enter after restarting your Mac Practice server when attempting to log in for the first time. Once we have entered in this security password, we can now click Next to continue on to the next step. On this next page, you will be prompted for more database information. From here, we need to enter in the database host name. For this, you will enter in localhost. Then you will click Next to continue. This final page here is asking how the Server Management app is going to connect to your database. We can click on this menu and see the options provided. For the purpose of this video, we will be using an existing database, as this is what you will do after updating. Once you select this, you will be prompted to fill in your office serial number. For your office serial number, please enter in your Mac Practice serial number. Next, we will need to enter in the database name. This is normally Mac Practice. If your office has changed your database name, then you will need to enter in the correct database name that was created. We can now select Finish. This will locate and update your database. Please keep in mind that the time it takes to locate and update your database can depend on a few different factors. This video is no indication of how fast an update will process for your office. Once this is complete, you will see the following screen. At this point, you may now open Mac Practice and log in as normal. After logging in, you will be prompted with an authentication window. Please click Authenticate and enter in your computer's admin username and password. This will finalize your update and log you into Mac Practice. Going forward, every time your office restarts the server computer, you will need to log in to the Server Management app. To do this, you can open Mac Practice and use the gear icon on the login screen to flip this over. You will now see a button for Show Server Controller App. Please click this. This will open a login page for the server management application. You will enter in the username and password that we created during the setup process. Once you log into the server management app, you will then click Start Server. This will then prompt you to enter in your security password. Once you have entered in your security password, you may now click OK. This will take just a moment to start your server. Once you see all the green lights in the Server Management app located here, you can now log into MacPractice as normal. This will complete the setup process for the Server Management application.